Have you ever uploaded a custom font in Canva, then later realized it's no longer needed, or just cluttering up your Canva kit? On the mobile app, it can feel tricky to figure out how to delete a font, especially since some options are hidden behind menus. But it's actually very simple once the right place is found. Now open the Canva app and stay on the home screen. Look at the bottom corner and tap the More icon. That's the three dots. This panel is where Canva keeps your account settings and tools that are not visible on the main dashboard. Next, select the option called Brand. This opens your brand kit, where all your brand colors, logos, and uploaded fonts are stored. If there is more than one brand kit, choose the one that contains the font that needs to be deleted. Inside the brand kit, scroll down until the fonts section appears. Here comes the part many users miss. At the bottom of the font section, tap Manage Uploaded Fonts. A list of all the fonts uploaded to this brand kit will appear. Each font will have a small trash can or delete icon next to it. Tap that icon next to the font that needs to be removed. When Canva asks for confirmation, choose Delete to remove it permanently. Once deleted, that font disappears from your design options and from the brand kit storage. There's something important to know here. This feature is only available for Canva Pro, teams, education, and non-profit users. The free version of Canva does not allow custom font uploads or deletions. So, if this option does not appear on the screen, that means the account is a free one. Upgrading to Canva Pro unlocks this ability along with access to advanced brand kit features. Deleting unused fonts helps keep the workspace clean and faster to navigate. It also ensures that only approved professional font appears in the brand design. This can prevent accidental use of outdated or incorrect typefaces. When managing brand assets, it's a good habit to review the brand kit every few months. Remove any old fonts or designs that are no longer in use. A tidy brand kit saves time, especially when creating quick social posts or presentations from a phone. Now that this method is known, keeping Canva organized is easy, even without using a computer. With just a few taps on the mobile app, it's possible to take control of every font and keep the brand kit looking sharp and professional.